Metabolism and energy use in cells. Metabolism is the total of all chemical reactions happening in the body to maintain life. These reactions help break down food, create energy, build tissues, and remove waste. Every cell in the body relies on metabolism to function properly. The main types of metabolic reactions. Catabolism breaks down larger molecules into smaller ones, releases energy in the process. Example: breaking down glucose during digestion to release energy. Anabolism builds complex molecules from smaller ones, uses energy to grow, repair, and maintain cells. Example: building proteins from amino acids. Both catabolism and anabolism work together to keep the body in balance. Energy currency. ATP cells use a molecule called ATP as their energy source. ATP is created mainly in the mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell. When ATP breaks down, it releases energy the cell can use for movement, repair, and communication. Without ATP, cells can't function. How cells make ATP? Cells produce energy through several processes. Glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm, breaks glucose into smaller molecules, produces a small amount of ATP. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria, uses broken down glucose pieces, produces more ATP and energy-carrying molecules. Electron transport chain, final step in mitochondria, produces the most ATP, requires oxygen. This entire process is called cellular respiration. It changes food and oxygen into energy the cells can use. Other energy sources. If glucose is low, cells can break down fats or proteins to make energy. Fat breakdown produces more energy, but is slower. Protein breakdown is a last resort. It happens during starvation or muscle wasting. Cells prefer glucose for fast and efficient energy. It explains how we turn food into energy, how we recover after exercise, and why we feel tired or energetic. Imbalance can lead to fatigue, disease, or weight changes. Tonnage is fuel. Why it matters. Metabolism keeps the body alive by powering cells to move, grow, heal, and reproduce. Balanced metabolism means proper function. Call to action. Stay tuned to Easy Medics Daily for clear and practical breakdowns of your body's engine room from cells to systems. Thank God for a body that turns food into energy night and day, just to keep us going even while we sleep.